All right, I've started on the next step. I forgot to record. I've got these four fence posts. They were 7 feet. I put them 2 feet in the ground, and I'm gonna cut that much off the top. That's about 4 foot 8 inches on this low side. And I've got those sideboards up there temporarily. And then I've made this truss. The front of this is going to be open, and that is just taller than I am. I'm 5'9", 5'10", and so I'll be able to get down in there, and it'll hopefully protect the front of this enough. I'll probably bring it out past so that get some protection in there. And it's not square, but nobody will notice it. And just to keep the weather off of it. All right, hopefully the wind won't be too bad. I built me 4 trusses to go on here. And that one in the front, I'm gonna take my Sawzall and cut that piece of OSB out where you don't see it. And I've got to put some furring strips on each side. I think I'm gonna do 3, one at the top, middle, and end. And then I'm gonna build the front out, build me an overhang. And I'll show you how this thing's out of square. You can see right there in the back, it sticks over, and I've got a 1/2 inch difference. So I kind of absorbed it was off about 1 inch, I guess, or 1.5 inches. I can live with that. It's just to cover my fire pit or my fire stove, whatever you want to call that thing. So next I'll put the furring strips on, and then this metal I don't think is going to work. It's some scrap I had, but it's not going to work. And so I've got some other scrap metal I'll probably try to put on there. So this thing's coming right along. I have really nothing in this. What I've used here, I had the 4 fence posts left over. I had this lumber left over. It was given to me. And then whatever screws I had, I put in. And that's what I've got. So I think it's going to be a pretty good little shelter here for my cooking. All right, here, got me a little fire going, trying to anyway. And got the roof on it. I put 2 furring strips, let them hang over just a little bit, and I had to do a little bit to get it to square back up. And I had some scrap metal from house project I put on here. And what I did was I cut this piece right along that rib, which gave me 1 piece. I cut it from there to there. It would have went on over, and I used that up on top and made a homemade ridge cap. And it worked out perfect. I got about a 6 inch overhang thereabouts, and I got to cut those 2 off. They're sticking over a little there, and I think it's going to be good. We'll see if it keeps the weather off. Now, I'm probably going to cook me a pot of chili. Today's Friday, either tomorrow or Monday. A little bit cooler temperatures. Cook a big old pot of chili, eat a serving, and then put 3 in the freezer for the winter. All right, this project I think is about done. Thank you for your interest.